Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Nifty to Google Drive for proof collections. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Nifty website. Log in to your Nifty account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the project where you want to collect proof. Locate the settings or integration section within that project. Find the Google Drive integration option. Click on the Google Drive integration option. You will see a button labeled Connect to Google Drive. Click on that button to initiate the connection. A new window will pop up, prompting you to log into your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and sign in. You may see a request for Nifty to access your Google Drive files. Review the permissions required and click Allow to grant access. Once you have granted access, you will be redirected back to Nifty. Your Google Drive is now connected to your Nifty project. To collect proof, navigate to the specific task or item you want to document. Click on the Add Proof button within that task. Select Google Drive as your proof source. A dialog box will appear, showing your Google Drive files. Browse through your Google Drive and select the file you want to add. Click on Select or Add, depending on the option available. The selected file will be attached as proof in Nifty. You can repeat this process for additional files from Google Drive. Ensure that your proof is correctly listed under the task. Your integration is now set, and you're ready to collect proof seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.